What's up, Bravo Nation? I have an exciting review for you guys today. We have here a product that, from what I can tell, is not even available in the United States. I had to actually order this especially from the UK, from England, to be exact. So we're going to get into that here in just a minute, but before we do, if you guys like seeing these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Help me get my subscribers up. Hit the like button. Go ahead and give us a shout out, drop a comment, let us know what the next tool review you would like to see is. We've got a couple of tools I bought this year, pretty excited about them as well, so make sure you drop a comment, let us know what it is you're looking for in the next review. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the tool review. This is the DeWalt T-Stak bit caddy. I don't know as though it has a DW number or anything. Looks like it may be called the DT70716-QZ or D65509. Not 100% sure on that. Not been able to find the product number for it. However, if you're like me, you've got a ton of bit cases and you keep getting them because you keep losing bits, breaking bits or whatever, so you keep buying more of the little cases of bits that you see at Home Depot, Lowe's, and all those other stores. So I've got a whole bunch of those and they float around my tool trailer. I cannot keep up with them. I've got like a little cubby we put them in, but they slide out, this, that, and the other. And I actually came across this when I was looking at the new DeWalt Tough System lineup. Tried to find one of these that works with the Tough System, but all I could find was the T-Stak. So I went ahead and tried to find it. Couldn't find it anywhere. Found it in the UK. So, well, I had it shipped in from the UK. But it's actually pretty good. It seems to be made out of the same type of material that your other T-Stak containers and Tough Systems are. They call it structural foam, but it's really more of a just a polymer plastic type material. It is part of the Tough Case Plus system that DeWalt came out with this last spring. You've got 5 slots across the bottom here for your mid-size standard bit cases, and then these smaller slots up here are for the little bitty cases that you get for like your tips, like your drill bit tips, like drywall tips, things like that. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. You know, it can lock in with other cases. It does have a couple of mounting points here where you can mount it on the wall of a shop or trailer or whatever to give you a place to organize them. What I'm actually going to be doing is actually putting it in one of the bin slots that I have for my T-Stak small parts containers. So this will kind of be up towards the top of that stack in its own little slot, and we'll be able to keep all of our bits in one place with this. So I'm really excited to have this and see how it works out. Wanted to let you guys get a chance to check it out and see what you guys think about it. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think about this, give me some feedback on it. I ended up paying right around $65 for this. Yes, I know that's a lot for a T-Stak case, but again, they're not available in the US. I had to get it shipped in from the UK. I think shipping alone ended up costing me about $20-something, so that's part of why we were at that price point. But it's a unique case. I've not seen these anywhere in the United States, nor have I seen anyone that even had one available, whether it be on eBay or anywhere else in the United States. But I wanted to add this to my ever-growing DeWalt collection. As you guys know, I'm a huge DeWalt fan. 90% of my tools probably are DeWalt. The other 10% are Bosch, and that's pretty much where I stand at on that. Bosch makes a great tool too, but the Bosch storage system, it sucks. I'm just going to be honest. It purely sucks. The plastic that they make out of, it's very brittle, in my opinion. It's flimsy. The DeWalt cases are much stronger. They've got a much better interlocking system. They just work out a whole lot better, and they're a lot easier to find if you need an extra one or need to replace one. So that's where we're at on that. So again, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and let me know what the next tool you guys want me to do a review on and let you guys check out. Catch you later, Bravo Nation. Peace.